Hey, Dave Frary here. Welcome to this series of videos about using the Scenic Express scenery products. Today I'm going to show you some of the products that Scenic Express offers and how best to use them. So let's get started.
This is SuperWet. This container will make 2 gallons of wet water, and you can use it for any scenery application.
Back in 1982, when I first wrote my scenery book called How to Build Realistic Model Railroad Scenery, which by the way is available here at Scenic Express. In the book, I use the water-soluble system for building scenery. This means that the whole scenic process can be started and finished in one session. The basic underlying foundation of the water-soluble system is wet water. And the big advantage to SuperWet is that you only need a little mixed with water to give you a tremendously wet water, a water that will break all surface tensions. We want to make a quart of wet water. So what we need to do, we need to take the top off of this side, squeeze the bottle to fill this up. Here's a measuring cup. I'm going to fill this to the line with water. I'm going to add 2 parts of the wetting agent, and then I'm going to mix it up really good, and I'm going to put it in the Scenic Express spray mister. To use on my home layout, I've mixed the SuperWet with the correct portion of water, and I'll put it in this spray container. Now I'm taking these large chunks of scenic foam and I'm putting them in position, and what I want to do, I want to glue them to the scenic base. Now I can add the rest of the scenic details to the scene. Here I'm using some flock and turf, and I'm going to put on another texture and another color of green foam, and then I'm going to add some of the knock leaves. When all the scenery elements are in place, I'm going to completely soak the whole area with SuperWet. This is our wet water, and it's going to cause the glue, which I spray in next, to disperse evenly. The glue in this case is matte medium, diluted with 4 parts water. And you can put on a liberal amount of this. You want it to hold everything together when it dries and stick the scenery components to the scenic base. As a start for the scenery building process, you need wet water, and I'd recommend SuperWet.
The scenery products presented in this video are all available from Scenic Express at www.scenicexpress.com.